Hello, good morning mga ka-agri. Araw ng Martes ngayon, August 6. Meron lang activity uli dito sa Villar Coliseum. Pansin nyo, maraming naglalakad papunta sa gymnasium. Meron lang activity dito. So, yan yung activity na nasa baba. 17th Las Piñas Water Lily Festival. Ayan, merong ganap dyan mamaya. Nakalagay sa baba, Miss Water Lily 2024, sayaw kabataan para sa kalikasan. Ayan, kung may time mamaya, sisilip tayo dyan sa mga nakadisplay made of water lily. Ay, may mga kanya-kanyang costume nagawa sa water lily. So try nating bumaba mamaya, makiyos-yoso. May mga pageant na ang mga kasuotan ay gawa sa water lily ni Senator Villar. Pansin mo, may mga bit-bit na silang mga costume ng water lily. So sana makababa tayo mamaya para malapitan natin yung mga gawang water lily.
A few inches later.
Mga ka-agri, ito yung product ng water lily. Ayun. Maganda yung kanilang gawa. May buhat water lily. Meron pa doon sa loob mga water lily na design. Bayad ba? Ganda na pagkagawa. Ilang 2 days? Ayos.
I 1 day at 2 nights pala.
Magaganda yung kanilang design.
Tapos na.
This is the biggest lesson I have learned in my journey. Walking the stage one last time, my heart is overflowing with so much joy and gratitude. My journey to the crown wasn't a smooth sailing one. It is indeed a crazy roller coaster ride filled with tears, frustrations, and hurtful words from people. I received a lot of backlash, I was face-shamed, and I even experienced cyberbullying. This is because people were mocking me that I did not deserve to win. But instead of being discouraged, it made me realize that the pain was just part of the plot to make my storyline more inspiring, especially to those young ladies out there who have the same passion as mine. This journey has transformed me into the queen that I am today. From a little girl who aspired to join this prestigious pageant one day, to finally being able to bring home the crown and make a history for her community. That finally, after 16 long years,
Miss Alfonso Dos. The 5 petals symbolize humanity with a purpose. Just like the Water Lily Festival, it blooms through innovation. The crown symbolizes unity, integrity, and discipline. Miss Talon 5. She is the sister of Mayari, the goddess of the moon, and Tala, the goddess of stars, and daughter of Bacala. Water lily symbolizes associated with birth and resurrection because of their gown designed by Gil Granado. May we now call on all our candidates to please proceed to center stage. A round of applause for our 20 candidates! Kubo, a symbol of the Bayanihan, is fastened to the gown's hips and headpiece. The gown's trail was inspired by Salakot, which represents the Filipino identity. This gown indicates how a water lily should become